Hi, my name is Daniela. I'm from Venezuela. I am 24. My level in this course is upper intermediate. In my classroom, the environment is perfect because we have people from South Korea, Japan, Venezuela. It's good because you can share, you can know more about other countries. My teachers are very, very good. They are funny, friendly. The perfect English and the perfect accent is from my teacher, not from us. But we try to imitate her. My accommodation is in Southern Road in Brighton. My apartment is beautiful. I love my apartment. The accommodation is perfect. The subway is near, is very close to my house. The building is in the perfect place to study. I love to do activities with the school. They always have activities. The perfect weekend could be go to other city, Philadelphia, Washington, with other students. If I compare with other cities, I prefer Boston. I love Boston. I choose Boston for the city because it's beautiful and because it's a university city. You will learn English, of course. I really, really enjoy my time here in Boston. I think my life completely changed.